Jonjo, Jiria Jonjo made here in the land of IT. IT was going on. Jiria Jonjo that went to Harvard, graduated with first class and came back to IT to serve his profession. What's going on? Let's try it. Let's see the difference. This is Jonjo Jiria. Bro, this is Jiria. The one you eat in America is Jonjo. Vini IT. This is what is it called? This one? Griot.
Banan peze.
This one is what?
This is gravy.
Gravy.
Yes, sir. Yo, you gotta dip the banan peze in the gravy.
This griot is fire. Vini IT Sherry. We are here in Okai, here in the southern part of Haiti. This place is live. We're eating with nature here. We're eating with nature here. We eat Mami Water. Mami Water is saying hello.